Good morning, friends and family, loves and strangers. Thank you for joining my live again. I appreciate you for popping in on these morning meditations. I am coming here to you every day for a year, and I am doing this to help with your practice, to solidify a practice. It's always nice to have accountability and to have a guide that has just had some history, really, right? In hindsight, we can learn so much with looking back. And so, meditation isn't known to be the easiest thing to do. Most people think, oh, it's so hard to stop my thoughts and it's going to be difficult to meditate. And I hear a lot of people saying even I can't meditate. Well, I don't believe you. Hi, Amy. Hi, Michael. I just want to let you know, there's so many reasons people meditate. And, I know we've been talking about the health reasons and how it can improve your overall health. It can reduce ADHD symptoms. It can help with anxiety. But today what I want to mention is, meditating brings us to the awareness of our higher self. And this is not something we always are aware of. We can also achieve more clarity. We can find our peace of mind. We can have more patience. I've heard testimonies of meditators, falling in love, getting more opportunities, creating more time in their day to do more things, literally being able to do more in their day simply because they spent a 20-minute moment in a meditation. So it's all vibrations, and we're all going to catch these vibes together. So we can do that in a group meditation. So here we are doing a group guided meditation. So the only basic instructions is to make sure that you're comfortable. You want to be in a comfortable space. You want to be safe. You want to know that you are okay. Then number 2, you want to close your eyes if possible. If you feel okay and safe closing your eyes, close your eyes so that then you can gain a new sort of vision of what these words and what this meditation is, and a new understanding of the answers you're seeking. Okay, and then 3, you're just going to listen. You just got to listen. There's nothing difficult about that. If our eyes are closed and we're comfortable, we can learn to have a listen. Okay, I'm going to get into the meditation. We're on lesson 318 of A Course in Miracles. If you find value in this, or if you know anyone that's looking to create more time in their day and find more opportunities, share this video with them. We are really here to help a lot of people. That's why I'm here on Facebook. It's unlimited. The sky is literally the limit. Okay, the meditation. Close your eyes. Get comfortable. In me, God's Holy Son, are reconciled all parts of heaven's plan to save the world. What could conflict when all the parts have but one purpose and one aim? How could there be a single part that stands alone, or one or more or less importance than the rest? I am the means by which God's Son is saved, because salvation's purpose is to find the sinlessness that God has placed in me. I was created as the thing I seek. I am the goal the world is searching for. I am God's Son, his one eternal love. I am salvation's means and end as well. Hi, Monique. Thanks for joining. The prayer is, let me today, my Father, my Mother, take the role you offer me in your request that I accept atonement for myself. For thus does what is thereby reconciled in me become as surely reconciled to you. Amen. We'll see you again tomorrow morning.